So, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo N53. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's go back and go to lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 22 and a low of 8.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.